Fudayl ibn Iyad, he said, أعرف من يعد كلامه من الجمعة إلى جمعة. Fudayl ibn Iyad, he said, I know those who they can count their words from Friday to Friday. They can count their words from Friday to Friday. A man from Bani Tamim, he said, Jalastu Rabi' Ashra Sinin. He said, I sat with Rabi' for 10 years. فما سمعته يسأل عن شيء من أمور الدنيا إلا مرتين. He said, I sat with him for 10 years and I only heard him speak about the dunya twice. He said, one time he said, Awaluduk hayya? Is your mother alive? Well, come like a masjid. And how many masjid do you have in your village? In 10 years, he asked him 2 dunya questions. Is your mother living? And how many masjids do you have in your village? That was it. Yahya ibn Sa'id al-Qahtan, he said, كان سفيان الثوري لا يزيد أحد وإن غاب عنه سنين على كيف أنتم. Imagine that, ya akhwan. He said that Sufyan al-Thawri, if he had not seen someone for years on end and then he reunited with them, he would ask them one question and not 2. How you doing? That's it. He wouldn't delve into his business. Where you been? How you doing? Kayfa antum? He asked them one question, and that's it. So Imam Ibn Qayyim, he says, so these 2, the eye and the stomach, are more dangerous. I'm sorry, these 2, the eye and the tongue, are more dangerous than the stomach. Anyone know why? Why is the eye and the tongue more dangerous than the stomach? Anyone know why? That's right. Because when you eat, eventually you're going to get full. And you're going to stop. He said, but your eye will never get full from looking at haram. And your tongue will never get full from running your mouth. Never get full. But the stomach, you get full, you have to take a break.